guys, welcome back to Books Gossip. I am Mansi, again back with a new book review. Last week I reviewed the first part of the Shiva trilogy by Amish Tripathi, that is Immortals of Meluha. This time it's the second part of the Shiva trilogy, that is The Secret of the Nagas. In case you haven't watched the first part, then the link to the video is in the description below. Coming on to the book, so this is how the book looks. This book starts from that very point where the first book ended. If you have read the first book, then you might know that Sati was being followed by some Nagas everywhere. Actually not some Nagas, but one Naga in particular who's actually the lord of the people of the Naga community. Now, who is this Naga? Why is he following Sati? Why he killed Brahaspati, a brother-like person to Shiva? How and why he destroyed Mount Mandar, the production house of Somras? All these questions are going to be answered in this book. So, this is how the story goes. Shiva strongly believes that Nagas are the evil and he is traveling a lot to find where the Nagas live. But in this journey across the length and breadth of ancient India, he is going to discover unbelievable secrets which are going to make him rethink whether Nagas are actually evil or not. His trust in the Meluhans and the Vasudevas, the tribe left behind by the Lord Ram to help Nilkant, is going to be betrayed. Especially in the 15th and the 23rd chapter, there are going to be astonishing revelations which are surely going to interest you guys. Other than all this, Shiva and Sati are going to be blessed by a baby named Kartik, who's going to turn out into a great warrior. अब ऐसा है स्टोरी में इतना कुछ हो रहा ना, लाइक एवरी पेज यू गोइंग टू टर्न देयर इज समथिंग गोइंग टू हैपन. सो मैंने और बोला ना, सो दैट आर डेफिनेटली बी गोइंग टू स्पॉयलर्स, सो आई विल नॉट स्पीक मोर अबाउट द स्टोरी. वन मोर थिंग, हैव यू एवर हर्ड ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑफ विश्वामित्र एंड मेनका? हाउ मेनका वॉज एबल टू भंग द tapasya of Guru Vishwamitra? A similar kind of story you guys are going to experience in this book also. It's going to be a fun story. It's going to be between Anandmayi, the queen of Ayodhya, actually not queen, sorry, princess of Ayodhya, and Parateshwar, general in the army of Meluha. And you are going to experience like, my god, that girl has awesome floating skills. Talking about the characters, so there are so many characters in the book playing a mention-worthy role. And I've already talked about Shiva and Sati in the previous book. In this book, focus was on, as the book suggests, Nagas, especially two Nagas, one the queen of the Nagas and second the lord of the people of the Naga community. Other than these, there were many supporting characters too, such as Vasudevas, the tribe left behind by Lord Ram to help Nilkant accomplish his goal, Kartik, son of Sati and Shiva, Parateshwar and Nandi, Meluhan army generals, Ayurvati, a world-class doctor who can cure any disease, any fracture, any injury, Anandmayi, princess of Ayodhya, Bhagirath, prince of Ayodhya, King Daksh, emperor of Meluha, King Dilipa, emperor of Ayodhya. There were so many characters, but the one which left impression on me was the Naga's lord of the people. He has so smart ways to deal with things. He's a great warrior, but though Nagas are shown and believed to be evil and ruthless, but he has shown a soft side of himself in the book. And this is the characteristic which gave him an edge for me over other characters. Well, I personally wasn't able to choose a best scene from the book because मेरे को पूरी बुक ही बहुत अच्छी लगी. अगर मेरे लिए possible होता ना, so I would rate this book 10 out of 5. It's even better than the first part. Like, it's going to be a journey to find truth in the land of mysteries. In the end, you're just going to find that nothing is what it seems like to be. जैसा दिख रहा था वैसा कुछ भी नहीं था. It's all going to be a mystery and a whole lot of revelations. You're going to love it. It's a must read book for you guys, and I hope you will also love this book as much as I loved it. Do share what you loved about the book and your favorite character in the comment section below, and I would love to read them. So that's it for today, guys. I hope the review was helpful. If you like the review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. And don't forget, I come up with new videos on every Mondays. Until then, keep reading. Bye.